Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how we can install Mqtt library or Mqtt package in the LabVIEW 2020 Q3 version. Okay, so first of all you have to open the VI package manager here. Then after you have to select here LabVIEW 2023 64-bit. Okay, and here you have to select all, and here you have to search for Mqtt. And you can see here from Mqtt broker to Mqtt web socket connection we have to install all the packages. Okay, and these packages are published by the LabVIEW. You can see here LabVIEW open source project. Okay, and for Mqtt broker as well you can see G open source project for LabVIEW. So we have to install this much of packages for Mqtt. So we can right click here and then we can click on install to install the Mqtt library in the LabVIEW. So everything is selected. Now we can press on continue. Okay, here you have to click on this yes, I accept the license agreement for all these packages. So once you click it, it will start installing in your system. You can see here extracting file LabVIEW, and all those file will be downloaded in your system, and then it will be extracted and then it will be installed in your system. So whenever the package got installed, you can see the green tick here beside the package. Okay, as you can see here are the result of the last action. So we were trying to install all these Mqtt packages and everything is installed without any error. So you just have to click on the finish, and here you can see everything is installed in the LabVIEW 2023 Q3. Okay, so this is how you can install the Mqtt library in the LabVIEW. So I hope this thing is clear. Now you can close LabVIEW instance. Okay, so if you have any question or concern, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. Otherwise, we will meet in the next video.